How's it going? My name's Will with Jupiter Bike. In this segment, I will be showing you how to adjust your DB680 caliper on your Defiant bike. On your DB680 caliper, there are only 3 points of adjustment: your tension, top screw, and bottom screw for your left and right movement. To adjust the tension for the brake pads, simply loosen up your set screw, and it does not have to come out all the way, just enough so that your silver cable passes through with ease. To make your adjustment, what you want to do is hold on to your silver cable, move your spring up slightly, and then tighten up on your set screw. Once that's done, spin your wheel and test the brake. If you feel that your brake caliper is a little too loose, one way to tell how loose it is and if it needs adjustment is your brake lever should only be about an inch away from your grip. This is an example of a caliper that needs adjustment. This is a caliper that is properly adjusted. If you're getting a little too much grinding on the left and right between your brake caliper and your rotor, loosen up this bottom screw and your top screw. And this will allow your caliper to move left and right. Once you have your left and right set to where you want it, re-tighten up your screws and then test your wheel. With Jupiter Bike, my name is Will. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Have a great ride, guys.